Hello, welcome to Poly Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tea scones at home using simple ingredients. Please subscribe to this channel as we continue. So the first ingredient is 500 grams of wheat flour. That is going to be all-purpose wheat flour. Secondly, I'll use 150 ml of milk. And we're also going to use 2 eggs, 2 full eggs. Next, we're also going to have 40 grams of ground sugar or sugar powder and 120 grams of butter. We're also going to use 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. So let's come to the method. I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. So I'll put together the wheat flour, the sugar powder, the baking powder as well. I'm also going to add the salt and mix them using a whisk. And just stir it thoroughly so that it's fully mixed. Then we shall continue to the next step. Add the butter and mix it thoroughly. And next I'm going to mix the egg and the milk. So just stir the two together. Just mix it. And after you're done mixing, add the mixture to the dry ingredients that we have already prepared. And continue mixing. I'll use a spatula to do my mixing. Just mix it thoroughly. When you're done mixing, just dust your working surface using wheat flour. Spread the mixture. And we shall use I'm going to use a bowl. I'll use a bowl to cut the tea scones. It's just something that is sufficient size. Dust a baking tray using wheat flour and put away the excess flour from the tray. And I'm going to arrange my tea scones on this tray. Then we proceed to baking. So next I'm going to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, and this is what you're getting. Please like our videos, subscribe and share widely with your friends. See you soon on the next recipe. Bye bye.